Some really exciting news today, and no, it's not about the new DJI FPV Avatar 2. It's about the owners of the DJI R2S. Finally, what we have been waiting for is here. The firmware update which makes compatible this drone with the European rules and brings it to the C1 class is finally here. I just made the update a few minutes ago, and for all the owners that we have this drone, and many were afraid that you will not be able to fly your drone as easy as before in the countries around. Now this changed because DJI R2S now fall into the A1 category, the same as the DJI R3, which makes it easier to fly in most countries, always respecting the rules. But now there are no hard restrictions for this drone, and this gives a big value still in the DJI R2S, which is an incredible drone. I use it very often and has still much to give. Yeah, this is some fantastic news because now you can import your remote ID, your drone operator license, and you are good to go. You are good to go and fly with a bit more peace of mind. As for the drone, I don't know if we will receive some stickers from the DJI in the next days or weeks with the C1 class label. I suppose probably they have to send, because you have to have the classification on the drone, but until now nothing is cleared. This firmware, it's not even announced by DJI because it was some pretty busy weeks for the DJI, and yeah, I don't know. We have to see in the upcoming weeks if they will ship some labels as long as you make the update, or maybe they will make a message in the application. I don't know. You can make a request, maybe. But most important part is that you have to make the update, and then the drone will start to be in compliance with the European rules, because the firmware gives some restrictions, I believe, to the drone. I haven't tested yet outside, but there are some changes with the European rules about the speed of the drone, maybe in maneuvering or something, and also in the subject and the tracking. A few things I think will change. I will test it and I will get back in another video, but for now, yeah, I'm very happy, because for people that they didn't want to change and upgrade to the next, like the DJI R3 or maybe a Mini 4 Pro, but Mini 4 Pro is totally different category in terms of rules and all this stuff. So yeah, now DJI R2S gets a great value, and it will, I think, in my opinion, still hold for the next 1-2 years as a drone that can compare with the others, because the build quality and the camera quality of this drone is still until today exceptional. For me, it's really good quality. So yeah, I don't see the reason, if you don't need the newer model, if you don't need these specific new features, to change. Out of ambience, and here's our ambience again. Okay. Also, the DJI RC received a huge update, around 1 GB. I didn't understand what exactly this is. I thought that this is gonna be about when you change drones with the same controller, that the process will be faster. For me, it was already fast enough, like when I connected DJI R2S, and then I want to use the Mini. I just choose Mini, make a small update on the controller, few seconds, and then it connects straight. So I don't know if it's a bit faster more, but for me the transition from the one drone to another with the same controller is really easy in general. So that was it for today. Don't forget to update your DJI R2S to comply with the new rules, and if you have any issue with the update or with a remote ID, drop a comment below so I can be able to assist you. And yeah, stay creative. See you in the next one. Bye. Hello. I have some really, and we start out of light. If you are a drone owner, and especially a DJI